Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to use Mod Podge properly. This will be a full tutorial for beginners, so let's get right into this instructional video. As you can see right here, I have this spray paint can of Mod Podge, this spray can of Mod Podge. And I also have this piece of wood over here that I will be applying the Mod Podge to. Now, generally speaking, you're going to be applying the Mod Podge to something where you want to sort of seal the color and the design in place. But just for the purposes of this video, I'm just applying it to this piece of wood because it's just a very simple tutorial, okay? So let's get right into this. And just for the record, this Mod Podge is actually almost done. There's barely anything inside of here. So this is like just for instructional purposes only. I wouldn't really Mod Podge this in real life. It's more just for instructional purposes to show you how to use it. So let's get into this. I'm going to try and keep this short and sweet, okay? So first and foremost, as far as I know, Mod Podge comes in a spray can, but I think you can also get it in a different type of application where you can just like sort of paint it on. For this video, I'm going to be talking about the spray can, but a lot of the methodology of this will be able to be applied to the sort of like paint on applicator as well. Okay, so let's get into this. Basically, you're going to want to get your Mod Podge and you're going to want to gain access to it. So if it's a spray can, you're going to remove the lid. There we go. I just hit my phone. I'm using my phone to record this, my old phone, and the cap literally just smacked the phone. That was pretty funny. Anyways, you're going to remove the lid, whether it's the spray can or the other type of applicator. You're going to want to gain access to the Mod Podge. Now, the goal is to apply a thin layer of Mod Podge to the thing that you want to apply it to. And if you want to do multiple passes, you can. But at the end of the day, the goal is to just apply a very thin layer each time. Now, for the purposes of this video, I'm just going to be applying one thin layer. But then obviously you can let it dry and apply multiple additional layers if you want. So basically what you want to do with the spray paint can is sort of shake it up, okay? Because there's a little, like I think it's a metal ball in there that will just mix everything together. So that it's ready to be applied. And if you're using the other applicator, then you're going to want to maybe stir it just a little bit to just even out the mixture of everything. Okay, then what you're going to want to do is make sure you're doing this in a well-ventilated area, just because, you know, you're going to get some fumes from the Mod Podge, so just make sure you're doing this in a well-ventilated area, most definitely. And you might want to wear gloves as well if you're doing a lot of it. I'm just spraying it, just a bit of it on, so I'm okay. But yeah, like I said, well-ventilated area for sure, and, you know, definitely try to wear gloves if you're doing quite a bit of it. Okay, quite a bit of applying the Mod Podge to the product. Anyways, when you're ready to apply, what you're going to want to do with the spray paint can at least is just go an even coat across. So just, it's going to go like this. Look, check this out. Okay? You see I went over, and then I stopped spraying at the end, and then back to the other side. Perfect, just like that. Okay, now I'm going to stop because, like I said, there's only a little bit left, and I don't want to waste what's remaining in this. But essentially, that's the method. And you're gonna, by doing that, you're gonna get a nice thin, even layer on the product, and you're gonna apply the Mod Podge nicely. Now, if you're applying it with, like I said, with like a paint-on applicator, then what you're gonna want to do is just apply a thin layer, painted on, of the Mod Podge onto the product, and then let it dry, and then you can apply multiple other layers after that. But that's basically it. When it dries, you're going to get a nice protective sheen layer on top of the product. And as you can see, it's still wet. Don't touch it when it's wet. When it's dry, you can continue applying it. That's basically it. Hopefully you enjoyed this video tutorial. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.